Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Hurricane. We're gonna take up the X-Fly 22 here, twin 40 millimeter motors, EDFs, and it's 15 mile an hour sustained, gust up to 20. Why not? Show how well this little guy can handle it. No rudder for correction, so right, left, up, down, rudder in the nose, and that's it for nose gear. Running 90% throws over 30% expo. All right. Okay, well, let's see just how good my piloting skills are going to be today in this wind. All right, timer set for 4 minutes. Here we go. Me reaching for the imaginary retracts that I don't have. Trying for the imaginary rudder that I don't have. Okay, this is the real test here, into the wind, turning into the wind. That's the... Yeah, running a 2600 4S HRV. Yeah, she's getting thrown around like a kite.
AS3X mode.
Oh, good. Now I turned on the wind gyro. See if it helps. Didn't have it on a while ago. Yeah, it seems to be helping a little bit. Well, that's fun.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
It's like, no, no, Daddy, no. Don't make me fly in this. No. No, please, no. You can handle it. Get in there. You are an F-22 after all. Now with the wind, yeah, she's nice and fast. But coming back in the wind, back in. Oh well, I guess I'm sitting down there. I think the plane is protesting now. All right, we're gonna take it up, flip it. Plenty aerobatic with the wind.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, gosh, it's windy. Okay, I'll stop saying that. I think we have established that the wind is a bit strong today. Yeah, and definitely no longer straight down the runway. But I'm not complaining. A day at the field, bad day at the field is 10 times better than any day at work, so. All right, we got enough for at least one more. He's like, no, haven't I done enough? Yeah, basically all I can do today is just take off and land, take off and land. Well, you're gonna do that no matter what. Remember, taking off is always optional. Landing is mandatory. He's like, well, but. You just teased me there, Daddy.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, I talk to my planes. Now he's like, okay, you're just being ridiculous now, Dad. There we go. Amazing how well a high alpha landing will slow a plane down. And that really wasn't all that complete of a high alpha, just enough to get a little pitch up on the nose there. It's a great flying little jet. Absolutely great. Simple.
Prop secure.
But you know what? I mean, y'all know me. I've got 120 something planes. Every kind of regular fixed wing plane you can think of. Every configuration, every design. But the planes that I personally, and you'll find that you end up having some of the most fun with, are the simple ones. Just the simple ones you can just throw up in the sky that you ain't got to worry about. Just fly. Just fly and have fun. All right, let me show you the setup. I will eventually hand launch this thing. It is designed for that. Got an AR-631 up front here. Oh, hold on, honey. Let me come closer to you, if I can, and hold the plane without being blown away. Oh, okay, all right. Try that again. Okay, got the AR-631 up front, and then the entire battery bay. Basically, it's designed for a 2200. I've got a 2600, and it takes up every square centimeter of space. So there's no playing with the CG. A 2200 all the way forward in the design space, anything bigger as much as you can fit back. And I highly suggest you strap the top of the battery strap, the battery connectors, down with the black strap that's provided. Otherwise your canopy won't fit that well. Now you could carve a little bit out from the shave a little bit from the bottom of the canopy on the underside. That may help. I haven't. One thing I did notice when I first got it and when I was building maiden, I kept saying, well, there was a bad gap right here. Okay, well, all I simply did is I just kept flexing the foam. The hatch was just kind of out of sync, out of round. It was warped a little bit, so I just kept kind of massaging it down and actually, you know, if I can do it and hold the plane without dropping it, bending it down, and now it looks a whole lot better than it did. All right, now let's try to check this battery and not get blown away in the process. Okay. All right, 45% left, and we flew for 3.5 minutes. So I could have flown the full 4 minutes, came back at probably 38%, 30 or so, which would have been just fine. But that's just a good flying little plane. X-Fly is the manufacturer, Banana Hobbies, where you buy it at. I'll put a link to the purchase in this plane. Like I said, I do have the ASRX wind gyro, and you can see how much help it needed. So folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be a purchase link in the description of the video. I'm not an affiliate. That's just there for your convenience, so you'll know you'll pick the right plane. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then little F-22s with attitude. Bye-bye.